things have been rearranged around a little bit. I bought myself a new toy. Check it out. This is a Barnes Model 5 lathe. I had to do some shifting around of things. I had to move that guy over there and these over here and the shelf over there, but you guys don't care about that. So this was made in the early 1900s, late 1800s. It's got a patent stamp on the back of it of 1880. It's also got another patent of 1887 on it. As you can see, it's fully operational. It's got the electric motor on it. Needs a new belt badly. And it also came with a full set of, change gears. I still need to track down information on those to see if I have a full set or not. So some unique things about this lathe is it's got, let me grab a flashlight. So some unique things about this lathe is it's actually got 2 lead screws that go in opposite directions, and they are what give you the travel in each direction based on how this guy, of course it's not going to engage, there we go, depends on how, that guy is faced. That way goes that way, that way goes that way. So yeah, here you can see number 5, and this one, they came with different setups on these guys. I think traditionally they were they called it no, they came with a pedal setup, and that would be your flywheel end, and then your actual pedal shaft would go through there. These legs have been flip-flopped because you would normally have it on this end. So yeah, my first lathe. Already made my first few chips on it too. So if you guys get any questions on this thing, feel free to ask. I sure am probably not going to have the answers for you, but if you want to see something, just let me know. Thanks for watching.